right, GBMC, this is the video to find the mini winners for my Aaron Rodgers Pick 1 helmet. This is the final mini. So we'll check the time, January 13th at 11:01 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have January 13th at 11:01 p.m. There is the list of our 48 entries. We are looking for the top 4 to win spots in the main. So we're just going to randomize your names, and then we're looking for the top 4. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ben, Matt, Robert, and Matt. So, Ben, you'll get first pick. What did I have here for first pick? It was... you get 12 in the main. Second got 6. That's Matt. Robert, you get 4. And then Matt will get the remaining 2. So that's it, guys. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, January 13th, 11:02 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.